You are going to love the 2019 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.